Welcome to the new lesson of Standard 4 Math, chapter number 6, The Junk Seller. This chapter is all about 4 operation and mostly the multiplication. The junk seller, in the beginning of the lesson on page number 60 NCERT textbook, here one story is given about one woman and she was a junk seller in Patna. Have you ever met a कब्बाड़ी वाला? कब्बाड़ी वाला यानी junk seller. A woman who sells junk. This is a true story told by Kiran. And who has junk shop in Patna? She has junk shop in Patna. Now this is the story of Kiran. I studied in a Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boy. How good! I loved Hindi and science, but I hated math. Today maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. Some like maths, some like Hindi, some like science, some like Gujarati. Different choice for everyone. She was telling she hated maths. When she was in school, उसको maths अच्छा नहीं लगता था. She likes to learn Hindi and science. But when she was as a junk seller, that time maths was the most important for her work. कुछ लेना है, देना है, money वापस करने हैं, लेने हैं. For that, math is very useful. What about you? Do you also find maths difficult? For everyone, the answer is different. I can say no, math is not difficult. It is practiced well. Maths is very easy. If you do the practice well, then it is very easier for you. What is the most difficult thing in your math book? I can say all the topics are easy to me, but for someone maybe division is difficult, for the subtraction is difficult. It is different opinion for everyone. What do you think is the easiest lesson? So it depends on the practice. The more you practice, the more it will be easy for you. Now she is saying, when I was young, my father died in an accident. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses and we had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8. This is 8. V for 5 and every single line 6, 7 and 8. I wanted to study more but my mother got me married. After her father's accident, her father died, so her mother has to work. तो उसकी मम्मी एज अ सर्वेंट सम हाउस में काम करती थी और उसको जल्दी से मैरिज करवा दिया. सो शी इज सेइंग माई हस्बैंड्स फैमिली लिव्ड इन मड हाउस. मिट्टी के हाउस में रहते थे. हिज 2 brothers एंड हिज सिस्टर डिड नॉट गो टू स्कूल. ही हैड अ टी स्टॉल. हर हस्बैंड हैड अ टी स्टॉल. चाय का स्टॉल था. एंड वो भी गरीब थे, वो भी पुअर थे. उनके जो ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर थे वो भी स्कूल में नहीं जाते थे. नेक्स्ट पेज. फाइंड आउट हाउ मच फॉर ए कप ऑफ टी. आस्क पीपल एंड फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए कप ऑफ टी एट अ टी स्टॉल. For different tea stall the price is different. Some places 6 rupees, some places 7 rupees, nowadays 10 rupees also. And at hotel more than 10, nowadays more than 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 30 rupees for a cup of tea. Here one sum. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day. In a day rupees 30. How much will he earn in 10 days? In a day 30 rupees. So in 10 days how much? And in a month. And how did you get the answer? Now, how can you say in one day 30 rupees, so 10 days first day 30, second day 30, third day 30. So for 10 days, 30 rupees. But how to give the answer? So first day 30 rupees, second day 30 rupees, then more, third day, fourth day, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10 days. Till 10 days 30 rupees he earns. So total how much amount he earned? What to do? So 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 days he earned 30 rupees. Now we know that repeated addition एक ही नंबर को रिपीट करो, that is the multiplication. Repeated addition is the multiplication. 10 days 30 rupees. 10 times 30. 30 10 times. 30 10 times or 10 times 30. Repeated addition. So instead of addition we will use here multiplication. Another thing, whenever one's value is given and we have to find for more, that time we will do multiplication. Let's learn how. Here the value of 1 day, here it is given rupees 30 in a day, yani 1 day is equal to rupees 30. He earned 30 rupees in a day. 1 day 30 rupees. Therefore, here they ask for 10 days. So 10 days is equal to how many? Whatever they have given, that we will write at left side, and whatever they will ask, that we will write at right side. जो सर्च करना है वो राइट साइड आएगा, जो दिया है वो लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा. 1 day already they have given 10 days, but amount we have to find. That's why we wrote it this side. If you learn this one, that it is very easier for you to write. After writing this, we will do the reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means upside down. ऊपर वाला नंबर नीचे and नीचे वाला नंबर ऊपर, upside down. Here 10 is downside, so it will come up and 1 will go down. This is called reciprocal. See, upside down. And multiplication is equal to, at the place of is equal to, we will join this 2 with the multiplication. Now here these both are in one line, so we will do multiplication. ये दोनों एक ही लाइन में आते हैं, then multiplication. If it is upside down, then we'll do division. So 10 into 30. 3 ones are 3 and we'll add 2 0. So 10 days is equal to 300 rupees. He will earn 300 rupees in 10 days. Here also 10 days 300 rupees. They ask for 10 days 300 rupees. Another method, same thing we can say 1 day is equal to 30 rupees. So 10 days equal to one's value is given. We have to find for more numbers. 1 day की वैल्यू दी है, 10 days की सर्च करनी है. For that we will do multiplication. So ये लिखने के बाद directly also you can write 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300. Now next thing they ask, how much will he earn in a month? In a month, 1 month has how many days? 30 days and 31 days, and February has 28 days. Here we will go with 30 days. 1 month has 30 days. Here we have the value of a day. So same thing we can repeat. 1 day is equal to 30 rupees. Therefore 1 month means 30 days is equal to how many? Directly also we can write. 1 day की वैल्यू दी है, 30 days की सर्च करनी है. 1 day 30 rupees, so 30 days 30 multiplied by 30. 3 3s are 9 and we'll write 2 0. So in 10 days he will earn 900 rupees. in in 1 month, in 30 days he will earn 900 rupees and 10 days 300 rupees. Next, I thought of starting my own business, Kiran thought, and I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. उसके अंकल ने उसको बोला इंस्टेड ऑफ बैंगल शॉप एंड टेलर शॉप दे कुड अर्न मोर मनी देन द इन जंक शॉप. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. Kiran and her mother-in-law दोनों ने मिलके जंक शॉप ओपन की. We took a loan. They took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है सो उसके लिए पैसे चाहिए. For that they took a loan. Now what is the loan? You heard that home loan, car loan. Nowadays we are hearing this word in so many advertising. So loan एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो पैसे हमको साथ में देते हैं और हमको वापस धीरे धीरे करने हैं. एक साथ पैसे वापस नहीं करने हैं. मंथली, वीकली, 6 months, 2 months, लाइक दैट. बिगर अमाउंट कोई भी कंपनी हमको देती है और हमको रिटर्न में मंथली वो अमाउंट रिटर्न करनी है. हैव यू एवर हर्ड ऑफ समवन टेकिंग ए लोन? Yes, I heard a person who took a loan for his son's education. How much loan was taken? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 50,000. Whatever amount, you can write it yourself here. How much money was paid back? How much money was paid back? The money paid back by him after 1 year is 1,50,000. किसी के पास से हम लोन लेते हो, पैसे लेते हो तो उसका इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ता है. सो यू हर्ड द EMI ऑल्सो, कार लोन, व्हीकल लोन. ओके, सो इफ यू टुक 1 lakh लोन, सो आप मंथली पे करते हो, एक साथ में 1 lakh लेते हो और मंथली पे करते हो लोन. सो आपको थोड़ी अमाउंट ज़्यादा पे करनी पड़ती है. सो आई कैन से आई टुक ए लोन ऑफ 1 lakh rupees and paid back 1,50,000. Here, Harya and Babu want to buy a handcart for 300 rupees. Two are there, Harya and Babu. They want to buy a handcart for 300 rupees. Harya said, I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. What he said? Let's read it again. I have taken a loan of rupees 300. So Harya took a loan of 300 rupees. And कितने मंथ के लिए? For 6 months. I'll pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. 6 month के लिए उसने 300 rupees लोन ली और हर मंथ 6 मंथ तक एवरी मंथ वो कितने रुपीस बैंक को वापस देता है? 51 रुपीस. 51 रुपीस वो बैंक को वापस देता है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ ही इज गिविंग बैक एंड हाउ मच अमाउंट. हरिया टुक ए लोन ऑफ 300 every month. He will pay rupees 51 every month. यानी 1 month 51 rupees. So how many months he paid back? 6 months. So we can write 1 month is equal to rupees 51. एक month में 51 rupees बैंक को पे करता है till 6 months. 6 month तक 51 rupees, 51 rupees, 51 rupees. So how much amount he will pay back to the bank? बैंक को कितने रुपीस वापस करेंगे? लोन ली थी 300 रुपीज़ की, बैंक ने 300 रुपीज़ दिए थे, बट बैंक को वापस भी करने पड़ते हैं ना. सो 1 मंथ में 51, दूसरे मंथ में 51, तीसरे मंथ में 51. सो 1 month 51, देयर फॉर 6 month हाउ मैनी? 1 month एक की वैल्यू दी है ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है, सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Directly we can write 51 multiply by 6. How I did the multiplication? Once value is given, we have to find for more. एक की वैल्यू दी है, 6 की वैल्यू सर्च करनी है. 51 multiply by 6. मल्टीप्लीकेशन यू ऑल नोज वेरी वेल. रफ में मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर सकते हो आप. 6 1s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So ₹306. After 6 months, he will pay back ₹306 to the bank. Now Babu, what he is saying, Babu? Babu, but I have taken a loan for ₹300 from चुनीलाल. बाबू ने चुनीलाल से लोन ली. आफ्टर 6 months I will pay back ₹360. देखो, बैंक से लोन ली, ही पे बैक 306. चुनीलाल के पास से लोन ली ₹300, बट उसने पे बैक कितनी की? 360. बैंक को हरिया ने ₹306 पे बैक किया एंड बाबू टू ₹300 लोन. 300 की ही ली है, बट उसने पे बैक कितनी की? ₹360. सो दोनों का इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग है. हर एक बैंक का इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग होगा. ये बैंक से लिया है, ये चुनीलाल से लिया है. सो हु पेड द मोर? बाबू पेड द मोर मनी देन द हरिया. बाबू pays ₹360 after 6 months. Hence, Babu pays more money than Hariya. Next page, page number 62. Now Kiran and her mother-in-law started the business of junk seller, यानी कबाड़ी वाला. But people laughed and teased us about a work. They called it गंदा work or dirty business. कबाड़ी वाला है, so सब उसको चिढ़ाने लगे, टीजिंग करने लगे. But I did not think so. I knew this idea would work. Now we have a pakka house with electricity. We have a fridge, TV and a gas stove. My husband's brother, sister and also my daughter go to school. How nice of them. And I have 9 rickshaws of my own. So good. I have 9 rickshaws of my own. I give the rickshaws on rent. उसकी अपनी 9 रिक्शो है और उसको रेंट पे देती है. Each for ₹20 a day. 9 रिक्शो सी हैज, एक दिन का ₹20 रेंट है. On Sundays I do not take any money for them. संडे को कोई भी मनी नहीं लेती. So 1 week has 7 days, but we have to exclude Sunday. Because Sunday I do not take any money. So Monday to Saturday 6 days. So 1 rickshaw, how much rent? ₹20 in a day. So 9 rickshaws, how many? 1 day ₹20 for 1. So 9 rickshaw, 9 2s are 18. 180. ₹180 वो एक दिन में कमाने लगी. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? 1 day ₹20. So for 1 rickshaw. So for 9 rickshaw, 9 2s are 18. So for 9 rickshaws, she will earn 20 into 9 is equal to ₹180. How did you do it? I will do it like this. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2, 9 2s are 18 and 9 times 20 is 180. We'll add 1 0. But I find this easier. जो whole amount है, in last chapter we learned that estimate the number. Estimate 9 2s are, maybe for someone it is little hard. So instead of 9 we can take 10. So 20 10s are 1 day ₹20. So 10 days ₹200. And from 200 एक दिन का कम कर दो ₹20. So it is 180. Orally we can count 9 day for 9 rickshaw 1 day 20 rupees, so for 1 rickshaw 20 rupees. 9 2 18, but instead of that 9 के बदले 10 कर दो, so 20 rupees for 10, so 2 1s are 2 or 20 10s are 200. This you all knows very well. So 200 rupees, उसमें से एक ऑटो कम कर दो, 20 rupees कम कर दो, so it is 180. 180 rupees he earn in a day from 9 rickshaws. So she will get rupees 180 in a day. Now in a week, how much does Kiran earn from one rickshaw? From one rickshaw, how much? For a day, for one rickshaw she earn 20 rupees. For one 20 rupees. One day 20 rupees. So 1 week has 7 days. So 20 7s are 140. How? They ask for one rickshaw. For one rickshaw, 1 day rupees 20. So for 7 days they ask for week. So 7 days 20 multiply by 7. 2 7s are 14 and we'll add to 0. Rupees 140 in 7 days. Directly also we can say 1 day from 1 rickshaw 20 rupees. So from 7 days 27s are 140. Do it mentally. 2 6s are 12. 26 are 2 6s are 12. So 26 are 0 भूल जाओ, 2 6s are 12 and we'll add 1 0. Same thing, 2 60s are 2 6s are 12. So we'll add 1 0. 2 60s are also 120. So same this side. 4 80s are 4 multiply by 80. 4 8s are 32 and we'll add 1 0. 4 81s are, okay, 4 80s are 320. 80 कितने टाइम? 4 टाइम. 80 how many times? What is the meaning of this? 4 टाइम 80 यानी 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80. Otherwise 480 टाइम. 4 कितने टाइम? 80 टाइम. So 320. अब 481 टाइम. So we'll add 1 4. 480 times 320. So 481 times 324. 4 more. 342s are. How to do this orally? 340s are. Estimate कर दो number. 40, 42. So इसको 40 कर दो. 43, 42. So instead of 40, round up the number 40. Now it is easy. Yes, 3 4s are 12. 120. But 2 more time. 3 2 more time. 3 2 time more. So 3 plus 3 6. So 6 add karo. It is 126. So 342s are 126. 925s are. 925s are. So round up karo. 925. You can do 30 also or 20 also. We'll go with 20. 925s are. So instead of 25, we will take 20. So 920s are. Now is it easy? Yes. 9 2s are 80. 180. It is 180. 9 2s are 180. So 920s are 180. So 5 times 9, 5 times more. 45. 9 5s are 45. Add करो 5, 12 and 2. 225. 225. We'll go with 30. 30 के साथ जाओ. Instead of 920, we can take 30. 5 more कर दो. Round off number. So 9 3s are 27. 270. Up 5 minus 5 टाइम्स 9 को माइनस करो, 9 5 जा 45. Subtraction, 0 minus 5 is not possible, 10 minus 5 5. Here 6 will come, 6 minus 4 2 and 2. Yes, both answer is correct. So you can do the round off number and orally do like this. Orally go with this. Number को round off करो and find the answer, add or subtract. 31 9s are, 31 9s are. So क्या करोगे? Instead of 31 go with 30. So 31 के बदले क्या लेंगे? 30. 39s are, 31 9s are written. So instead of 31 we can take 39s are, 9 3s are 27 or 9 1s are एक बार 9. So 279. So orally this way you can do the multiplication. Orally कोई भी multiplication करना है, then do the in addition also you can do with the same. Estimate the number or do the rounding of nearest 10 or nearest 100 and find the answer. Here some examples are given. Let's solve this. Here 53 multiply 54 by 3. How to read? Multiply 54 by 3. By means multiplication. Whenever off will come, that time also will do the multiplication sign, but it will go in division. See here 50, 54. So they convert 50 plus 4. We did 50 round off कर दो, 50 plus 53s are 150 and 4 3s are 12. Here also, but with the little big amount. 1231. So 1000 with 3, 200 with 3, expand. They expanded this number. Then 330 plus 30 into 3 and 1 3s are 3. See this, they expand the number, this number, and they multiply each number with this and then add. 85 multiply 85 by 5. So how to do? 80. So 80 plus 5 and then multiply by 5. 80 plus 5 then multiply by 5. So 85s are, 85s are, 8 5s are 40 and then we'll add 1 0 plus 5 5s are 25. Now this addition is very easy. 425. Multiply 76 by 3. So what we will do? 70 plus 6. We'll expand this number and then multiply with 3. So first we will go with 70. 7 3s are 21 and 6 3s are 18. Now do the addition. 8 plus 0 8, 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus nothing means 2. Easy? Yes. 43 multiplied by 8. So expand the number. 40 plus 3 43. Then multiply by 8. Then first 8 will go with 40. 4 8s are 32. And we'll add 1 0 plus 8 3s are 24. So 0 plus 4 4, 2 plus 2 4 and 3. Here we can subtract also, huh, beta? 50, 59, so we can go with 60. 64s are, it is very easy. 64s are 240. 6 4s are 24 and then 1 4 minus karo. But we will go with this method. 50 plus 9 multiply by 4. So 54s are 5 4s are 20 and we'll add 1 0 and 9 4s are 36. So 236. If you want to do this orally, we can do estimate rounding of this number. So 60 multiplied by 4. So 6 4s are 24 and 0. Then what we will do? एक ज़्यादा 4 ऐड किया है, सो एक 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. 59 के बदले 60 किया है, कितने ज़्यादा लिए? वी टुक 1 मोर, सो 1 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सो 240 minus 4 236. Both the way we can do. 16 8s are 10 plus 6 multiplied by 8. So 10 8s are 80 plus 6 8s are 48. Add 1's place 8 and 10's place 8 and 4. So 8 plus 4 12. 87 7s are, you can rounding off also. Okay, 87, so you can go with 90 also. It is easy. 80 plus 7 into 7. Into also we can use this word. 87s are first word. 87s are 8 7s are 56 and we'll add 1 0 plus 7 7s are 49. Now let's do the addition. Unit place 9. Tens place 6 plus 4 10. 1 is carrying forward on next place. 5 plus 1 6. 609. So like this way you can rounding off the number or expand the number, and orally you can do the multiplication. This method for orally multiplication. So this way you can do the more example, more practice and learn the multiplication method.